Welcome to Medicraft's BDS Express. In today's class, we'll be seeing question related to TMJ arthrocentesis. Question was asked in the year 2024. Now, question says that which statement about TMJ arthrocentesis is incorrect? That means 3 statements are correct, 1 is incorrect. Let's see the option. Option A say a landmark used is Canthal-Traeger line, which is also known as Holmlund-Helsing line. Now, this Canthal-Traeger line is from the outer canthus of the eye to the tragus. Option B says 300 ml of Ringer's lactate is introduced into the superior joint space. Option C says inferior joint space is flushed to remove the inflammatory mediator. Option D says it diminishes negative pressure and suction cup effect between the disc and fossa.
Hello everyone. So are you a NEET MDS aspirant and you are struggling to find all previous year authentic question? What if I tell you that you will get everything in just one book? My book is out on Amazon and Flipkart. Just check the video for description. It contains all the solutions along with the reason to rule out for your convenience. Get your hands on it today itself and take a significant step towards your success.
Now let's see the TMJ arthrocentesis. So this is the landmark. Landmark is outer canthus of the eye to the tragus, and from there you just take 2 points. Okay, like here it is marked in the patient. Also, this is the first step. Now, before moving ahead, let me tell you why you are doing TMJ arthrocentesis. So, this is minimally invasive procedure which you can do in the cases of ATD with reduction, in the cases of trismus, or whenever patient is having synovitis. In all these cases, you can go ahead with the minimal invasive procedure, which is TMJ arthrocentesis. Now, how you do it? So basically, you just mark this line and then you need to give LA to your patient. Then take the 2 sterile needle, insert it in these points. Now, you need to inject 1 to 2 ml of saline. Option B says, okay, so option 1, it is correct that yes, this is the landmark. Option D says that 300 ml of Ringer's lactate is used. No, that is not true. Instead, 1 to 2 ml of saline is used. You are just inserting the saline from here and draining it out from here. Here you can see the droplet. So this is how it is done. So basically, you are flushing the superior compartment to remove the mediators and increase the joint space and reduce the symptoms of the patient, so that patient would be relieved from all those symptoms like pain, ADD with reduction, trismus, and mouth opening will get better. So this is TMJ arthrocentesis, and yes, it diminishes the negative space, or you can say pressure, from the disc and the fossa. So coming back to our question, this is the incorrect option. So you need to mark this 300 ml of Ringer's lactate. Instead, 1 to 2 ml of normal saline is used instead of 300 ml of Ringer's lactate. I hope I was clear enough. Thank you.